Good day, everyone, and welcome to weekly Forex recap. It's July, 1st of July, and we had a very good week regarding weekly setups. So these are weekly trading areas. So we actually renamed. So I will rename it weekly trading areas. So all traders should actually know what is all about. So risk disclaimer: CFD and Forex are leveraged products that can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So those are not suitable for everyone. Please ensure that you fully understand the risk involved before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Trading rules always the same. We don't change it. And for all of you who don't know our trading rules, you can always check it on our YouTube channel. Pause the screen and read it. Results for the previous week were euro dollar was good for 45 pips, GBP dollar was good for 60 pips, the Australian dollar was good for either 65 pips or it was minus 35 depending on your entry. Dollar CAD was 57 pips, Bitcoin dollar 180, gold was a loss of minus 50, total people in between 322 to 357. Trades of the week were the Australian dollar and the Bitcoin. This is what happened with the euro dollar. Exactly here at the POC zone, euro dollar spiked and made nice profits. So this vertical line is the time of the webinar and what happened afterwards. The GBP dollar also very nice. We had a rejection from 2670 or from 2780. Now I traded this setup, but if you have traded 2780 first, because I missed this one, there you could have made even more pips. So I would say for a sell trade, you could have made even more, but it doesn't matter. Both of these setups came in a profit. Depending on your entry, the Australian dollar or the buy or sell, this is either a loss or a win. If you went up a little bit higher than the POC zone, few pips, then it was a nice profits. But if you sold here, then it was a loss. Dollar CAD, again, 32.50 was a sell, 31.50 was a buy. Straight from 31.50, the price went up. So this was also a very, very nice trade setup. And the Bitcoin dollar, this was the final trade that you could have made for these setups. So it was basically a sell here from 1190. 11,200, I think. Yes, 11,200. And what happened, basically, the price was sold here. But you see, it almost made 100 and something pips before going up. This is a very volatile pair. Hi, Ilya. Nice seeing you here. And gold was a loss. Basically, we had a sell and a buy positional trade. Sell trade was a loss. I mean, it hit the stop loss and then dropped. So results for the previous week were like this, in between 322 to 357 possible pips. Now, regarding this week's setups, I will do it immediately because I was checking until now. So today on my MTF, we had a nice long. I didn't trade it. This was almost counter trend long, but it was a signal here. I would say that the 1350 is now a sell. We have a downtrend in place. So this is a sell 1350 with a stop loss of 85. And the final target for this possible move is 1288. I would say 1.1280. And potential, okay, a buy trade is from the zone. As always, you need to wait for the price to touch the zone and makes a reversal pattern. Okay, stop loss 1250 and target is 1330. I would say only small retracement. The GBP dollar, downtrend on the GBP dollar. Here I have some sell trade that I'm running based on this breakout trade. But then again, for positional trade, 2680 is a sell. So 2680 is a sell. Positional sell. 2680. Stop loss would be 2720. And final target is if the price really makes a nice continuation below, I would say 2558. Let's say 2560. Positional buy is 2560. Actually, it's alternative buy. 2560. 2540. 2530, sorry. And 2680 would be alternative buy trade. The Australian dollar. Yeah, I knew it would gonna drop. My stop loss was hit last week on this trade. I had a nice super dot trade, and it would be good that if it weren't for this fall spike to the upside that hit my stop loss and went down. But I would say I would sell it again. 70.00 is a sell. Trend. So 70.00. I mean, it happens. Hit stop loss and then reverses. Stop loss 70.40. TP 69.30. 69.30 is a buy potential. Stop loss 69.00. And the target 70.00. The dollar CAD. I will answer your questions just a little bit later. The dollar, yeah, the dollar CAD. Yeah. This now needs to close with a bearish pattern. If it closes with a bearish pattern, I will make a short. So guys, watch for this. 31.35. So I need to close it. It needs to close with a bearish pattern. Next hour will be important. If it does, this is a sell. This is now the start of the signal, this red circle. $31.50. 30.50. Okay, the Bitcoin. This is very volatile. Now it's in downtrend. 11,680. Downtrend. 11,680. 11,780. And the target 90. Wow, what a volatility this is. Yeah, it closed the gap. I would say 99.25. Alternative buy 25. Stop is 91.25. 98, sorry, 25. And the target is again 11,680. So let's see. So this would be it, guys. Now you can ask questions. I will roll slides again. Ali is asking about my short on GBP dollar. No, if it hits a stop loss, this will be a stop loss. But if I see that this is just for ECS Live members. If it makes a reversal pattern from this spot, then I will actually short it. This is not MTF trade. This was just a breakout trade based on these levels. Okay, just based on these levels, I had a breakout setup. That is why I'm saying it's not connected to it. So Ali, this is it. Gold. Yeah, of course. If you have any other questions, guys, regarding other pairs, please do ask me. We remain this webinar as trading ideas. So these are quick trading ideas for the week. So, of course, that are valid today, tomorrow, and early Wednesday. Okay. We don't need to. We are quick with this. So quick trading ideas. I would sell gold 1405. You see, yeah, 40. I would write it now. 1405. Yeah, this looks like potential rejection. It's downtrend now. Positional sell 1405. Stop loss 1410. And the target for this move is 13. I would say the close of the gap 1365. 65. Alternative buy is 1365. Stop loss 1360. Target is 1405. Okay, this is the gold. No, I would go with the long Ali around 1365 based on Camarilla MACD MTF. DEX. Yeah, I agree, Ilya, with you. If Fed lowers the interest rate, definitely it will be the meltdown. I agree with you. Okay. DEX 30. Let's see, where is DEX? It needs to close the gap, but I don't know if the gap will be closed. But definitely, I think if it breaks 12,490.95, it should go to the gap close. Yeah, I think this could happen indeed. So that would be it, guys. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Basically, this is it. Quick trading ideas. I will roll the slides again. And yeah, buy the rumor, sell the fact. That's it. Always like that. So this is it, guys. Euro dollar, the GBP dollar, the Australian dollar, the dollar CAD, the Bitcoin dollar, and the gold. GBP CAD, okay, GBP CAD. Guys, please do ask me, because don't wait for the last moment to ask me questions. GBP CAD. Okay, GBP CAD, let's see. Where is it now? I didn't trade it for a long time. I'm not sure even if it's on my watch list. Should be, but yeah, this is it. Short, so many good signals. I should have traded this. This is great. So many good signals from the MTF. Yeah, here. Wow, I will pay attention to this pair. Now, let me just move it up, and I will add it to my watch list. GBP CAD. Yes. That's it. Now it's there. So I would go for a short around 66.35. Yes. No, Ilya. Watch this. GBP CAD is great. Watch signals on my MTF platform. Watch this. Super dots. Wow, this is great. I like this. I really like this. It's very, very accurate. Okay, guys. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed. Questions answered. This webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded. And let's see what will happen. So this is for today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. Okay? Cheers, guys. Thanks all. See you soon.